Hello everyone, welcome to the Module 3 of our discussion in event-driven programming. This is the continuation of Module 3 on the latter discussions, and this time we are going to discuss more on JProgressBar. You can see right now that I have already created, or I'm just continuing the past project file in Module 3 for this object, and this time we are going to create another JFrame form, which I'm going to name this one as as progress bar. Okay, so now we are just going to test this again to create a UI or to call the progress bar class so we can identify if it's working. So let me just click save and hit run. Okay, so it's working. Now, what we are going to do here is to drag and drop or to create a progress bar. And we know that progress bar are used for the user to have a visualization of the current progress of the software that we have created. And the next thing that we are going to do here is to create a three buttons or to drag and drop three buttons for us to indicate the different progress that we have in the progress bar. But this time, let's just rename this one as JProgressBar. Then this button, let's just replace this with 10%. Then the next one here is 50%. And what we have here is 100%. So by default, progress bar the value for progress bar is 100. So that's the greatest capacity that this has been set. But you can still replace this one on the properties tab for here the maximum value. But it's up to you how are you going to set this one. Okay, so this time, let's just create a function for each percentage. So let's say 10. Then this one is, let's name this by 50. This is just for the sake of running this one, and 100. Okay, so let's create functions for each of these buttons. Okay, so yeah. Now we have actually created different actioner events per function or per button. Now we are going to replace the value of the progress bar to indicate the different progresses that we have in the JProgress bar. So to do that, let's say this JProgress bar. Let's set that again, set value. So let's set the value to 10. Then let's copy and paste this one here. Oops. And another here. So let's say this is 50 and this is 100. Okay, now we have actually created or simulated the different behaviors of the progress bar. And now let's hit run. So to simulate the result, let's just click here 10, 50, and 100. So we can go back to 50 again and then 10%. So whenever you are already creating an actual program for this one, you will just need to use the JProgress bar and set value. And then you will be the one to indicate the current progress as they load the header files in the software. So that's it for this discussion. See you again on the next video as we discuss the continuation of Module 3. Bye-bye.